looking at you. That.
Yeah, I know. You can look wherever you want, buddy, okay? You can look wherever you want. If you want to look at the screen, you want to look at the lens, you want to look at me, you want to look at your foot, you can do whatever you want. Warm greetings, Code Monkeys and fellow Menzies. Welcome back to Code Mock Films. This is my godson, Brighton. You want to say hi? That was an That was not a hi, that was an You go. Alright, come on back up.
Oh, God.
You say hi for real.
Hi.
Hi. How you doing?
Good.
How was your trip?
Good.
This boy here is visiting from where he lives. I don't get to see him very often, so it's going to be a very short video today because I want to spend some time with this guy here. I think it'd be fun. How about you? We're going to play Pokemon cards, right?
Yep.
Because I found one of my old decks and you brought some of yours, right?
Yep.
Yep.
I brought all mine.
I used to be really big into Pokemon cards. I only have one deck left. It was the Team Rocket deck that I made. So we're going to see how that stacks up against your modern Pokemon skills and see who is the greatest Pokemon master.
Are legendaries allowed?
No, legendaries are not allowed.
Dang
You can't
it.
bring a legendary against a Meowth. You goof. Meow.
Actually, do have a Meowth too.
What? You have a Meowth too, huh?
Yeah.
Well, we can have Meowth versus Meowth showdown. Dun dun dun!
Oh, God. I have a, what's it called? The one that can transform into other Pokemon. Ditto.
Ditto. Yep. I remember having Dittos. I used to have a couple of Dittos. In fact, I think I still have a couple of Dittos in my old binder. But I don't have any in a deck.
They're cool.
Anyway, so that is why the video is going to be short today. But until next time, come on, get some fellow veggies. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say it.
Bye!
Good job.